In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to IBKR Desktop. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is download IBKR Desktop onto your computer. If you want to know how to do this, I do have a separate tutorial, so go watch that first. And then when you have it on your computer, open it up by going to the search box, looking for IBKR. There we go, IBKR Desktop. Click on it. It's going to open up the Interactive Brokers desktop version, and after a few seconds, the login window will open. There we go. And then in here to actually log in, first you'll have to select if you want to log into your live trading or into your paper trading simulated account. Just select the one you want to do, and then you'll have to enter in your username and your password. So this is the one that you created while creating your account. And then over here, of course, make sure you are on the correct one, but if you use your username and password, you'll be able to log in with your username and password to both of these, okay? So if you created your account, you can use the exact same username and password to log into live trading or paper trading, just like this, okay? Now, after you type in your login credentials, just click on login to simulation or login over here, and that's basically how you log in to IBKR Desktop. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.